thought he was gonna crash. I really thought he was gonna crash. Shit, that scared the fuck out of me.
All I can think of was Jackson.
Huh?
All I can think of was Jackson. He really fucked up.
Oh shit.